I have a Jandy pool heater that has the same problem. High flue temp sensor. Can I bypass it until a tech repairs it?
Who manufactured the pool?
We cut the wires and try splicing it separately of the sensor. Still doesn't change the readout.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
In ground by Premier Pools.
Is there anything else the pool technician should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
It is a less than a year old 2020 heater.
It is not a good idea to bypass the switch. This is a safety for your protection and to protect the equipment. Have you checked to make sure it is just the sensor and that flue is not overheating?
I am not sure since it quit while I was away. I just needed a temp fix since a tech is coming to fix it. I live in Ga and I have my friends from Baltimore for the weekend here now. Pool is only 5,000 gallons.
Due to liability reasons, we are not allowed to tell you to bypass a safety. If we knew for sure there is not a problem causing it to trip, I would feel okay with doing so, but would hate to say it is okay and get someone hurt.
Okay, I understand. We did cut the wires to bypass it, but it didn't clear the board. Is there a way to clear the default from the board?
Kill power completely and restore. See if that will clear.
We tried that, and it didn't clear it.
Give me the full model and I will see if there is a reset procedure.
It's a Jandy 400 Pro 2020. I don't know how to send you a pic of the model #plate, but it is a Pro 400 series Jandy 2020 pool heater.
Manual does not show me a reset procedure. Just says call a certified Jandy service tech. Usually turning power off and back on will reset.
I did reply. But now it's the weekday and I am going to push the tech to come out.
Not sure what happened with our communication session. Let me know what they say.
I'm getting a local tech to fix it.
I understand. Thanks for letting me try.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.